Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Vast AI. In order to do so, here we are at Vast.ai, and what is Vast all about? Instant GPUs, transparent pricing. Deploy high-performance GPU instances in seconds and save up to 80% versus traditional clouds with 24/7 expert support. And if that seems like something interesting to you, you can come here and click Get Started, or you can book a demo. Let's go ahead and scroll down here and just see what kind of information we have on the homepage. Unmatched pricing on 10,000 plus GPUs. GPU cloud with 40 secure data centers and 10,000 plus GPUs are waiting for you. Build without constraints, get a dedicated cluster, personalized support, and SLAs. Got some cool looking visuals here. AI infrastructure tailored for the enterprise. Deploy AI workloads instantly. Scale anything. Let's take a look at the pricing. So we have a variety of GPUs here that you can rent, and we've got some really great ones, RTX 4090, and you can rent that for hour for 29 cents per hour. So that seems quite reasonable. Very interesting, and we have different pricing here. The B200 is $2.82. So we've got some variability here in terms of how much the GPUs cost, but we've got all of these GPUs and we have many more as well. So if you're interested in renting a GPU, head over to Vast.ai in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on Discord. We also have a variety of AI promotions there. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out and we'd appreciate it. Check out our WAP course on how to make an AI music video. For $30, we'll take you through our process and show you how you can make your own AI music video masterpieces. And check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral if you refer your friends and family. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.